I feel like a normal person because the way they treat me, it's like they my biological parents. My dreams and aspirations for the future. I wanna open an art school, help children who are in need.
Been here for about 17 years now, since I was 5, and I'm currently studying culinary arts. Besides not having parents, but I'm still a normal child, normal growth, development, went to school. I feel like I'm ready to go out there into the world and be independent or on my own.
Igama lami nguSithongeni isenimi yami nguDasi. Ngifunda ugrade 10, ngine 17 years old. Ngibe lana since 6 years. I'm not sure how many years. Ngahamba ngaya emakhaya kugogo wami ngaphinde ngabuya futhi. Ngenze ngibe right nje as umuntu ohlala nabazali bakhe nje. Not like umuntu ohlala nje phandle nabanye nje. Ngenze imehluko nje omningi. Into enziwe apha ziningi mara kakhulu yinento ukuthi abantwana nje bayalimazana. Kumele ukuthi ulanto endibona ngayo mina maybe ngakho umahluko nokuqala. Maybe ngakho indlela endizoziphatha ngayo ezotshintsha kunale ilapha mina.